The National Weather Service in Medford, Oregon, has issued a high wind warning for Coos County in southwest Oregon, Curry County in southwest Oregon, and coastal Douglas County in southwest Oregon, until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Tuesday, December 24, 2024, Doppler radar is tracking south winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, Curry County coast and south-central Oregon coast, including all beaches, capes and headlands from Reedsport to Brookings, and exposed portions of U.S. Highway 101 from 1 p.m. Wednesday until 4 a.m. Thursday. High winds will blow around unsecured objects and may damage property and cause power outages. Exercise extra caution as travel will be difficult, especially on high-profile vehicles. The National Weather Service in Juneau, Alaska, has issued a high wind warning for Ketchikan County in the Alaska Panhandle, Prince of Wales-Hyder County in the Alaska Panhandle, Petersburg County in the Alaska Panhandle, Sitka County in the Alaska Panhandle, and Wrangell County in the Alaska Panhandle, until 7 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time. At 12:48 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time, Tuesday, December 24th. 2024, Doppler radar is tracking southeast winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, City and Borough of Sitka, Prince of Wales Island, Ketchikan Gateway Borough and Annette Island. High winds will blow around unsecured objects and may damage property and cause power outages. Exercise extra caution as travel will be difficult. A strong low will track north towards the Panhandle and into the Gulf starting late Tuesday. The strongest winds are expected to occur Wednesday morning for central and southern coastal areas. High wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour will continue through Wednesday afternoon. Strong wind gusts of 40+ miles per hour are then possible through late Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Eureka, California, has issued a high wind warning for Del Norte County in northwest California until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday, December 25, 2024, Doppler radar is tracking south winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, Del Norte County, including Crescent City. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected, and exercise extra caution while driving, as travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a high wind warning for coastal Lane County in western Oregon, Lincoln County in northwest Oregon, and Tillamook County in northwest Oregon, until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday, December 25, 2024, Doppler radar has detected south winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 55 to 65 miles per hour expected along headlands and open exposed areas around beaches. Elsewhere, expects gusts of 45 to 55 miles per hour from 8 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Thursday. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, Tillamook County coast and central coast of Oregon. Damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines. Some power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon, has issued a high wind warning for Clatsop County in northwest Oregon, southern Grays Harbor County in southwest Washington, and Pacific County in southwest Washington, until 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Wednesday, December 25, 2024, Doppler radar is tracking south winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts 55 to 65 along headlands and open exposed beach areas. Elsewhere, expects gusts of 45 to 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, in Oregon, Clatsop County coast. In Washington, South Washington coast. Damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines. Some power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Expect 2 bursts of strong winds first ahead of the cold front as it moves ashore around 2 a.m. Thursday. Then, winds will ease a bit, then another burst of strong west to southwest winds from 4 to 8 a.m., as low pressure north of the region will move inland.